loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be following a current YouTube trend, the I tried following so-and-so's makeup tutorial. Today I'm going to be following Amanda Ensing's makeup tutorial. The video is called 0 to 100 Full Coverage Makeup Transformation. That is my kind of makeup look. I love the whole glam makeup transformations, and when I saw her picture on Instagram of this makeup look, I was literally dead. It looks so amazing. Make sure you like and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started.
My transition color.
Okay, so she has a palette that I actually don't have and never have heard of actually, but looks super pretty. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with some similar colors from a different palette. And we're gonna take my transition color brush and a neutral brown color, and we're gonna watch where she puts that.
I'm gonna start on the outer part of the eye and bring this back and forth from the outer corner to inner corner.
So she starts on the outer corner of her eye and brings it to the inner corner. And I've actually never done a look like this before, so we will see how this goes. Also, I feel like her lid space is bigger than mine, so I'm not sure how high to bring this, but we can always clean it up. Let's keep watching.
Since I want the eye look to be like this, I am gonna bring the color outwards, and I'm gonna bring it farther out than I want it, because this look is gonna be pretty dramatic, and so I'm just gonna clean up whatever is too low. Now we're gonna go in. I'm gonna take this color. It's a matte reddish brown, but it's very like orangey red. Like this color is intense. I'm switching to a different crease brush.
Okay, so she's moving on. I haven't finished yet with the first step, so we're just gonna go. I feel like her color was a little bit lighter. That's okay, as long as we get it in the right placement. She also said she's going out further than she wanted to, so we'll also do that. I feel like that's not equal. How do you get both eyes to look the exact same? Okay. Okay, so then she goes in with a matte orangish red color, so I'm also going to use the Dare to Create palette again. Alright, so I'm going to take this orange,
I'm going to mix that color with this,
and we're just going to go in that same place with this color. Oh my goodness. Alright.
rich chocolate color just to deepen it up and make it even darker. So I'm just putting my brush into both of the colors.
Alright, so now she's mixing in a dark brown. So I'm going to do that as well. She's putting that in the exact same place.
Crazy right now, but it's going to look so good when we're done.
Okay, she says hers looks crazy, so I'm definitely on the right track then. Just adding that dark brown in to deepen it up. She's blending the lines. I feel like
I'm going to take a flat brush. I'm going to go back into my eye primer, and I'm going to carve out the crease and my lid area.
Okay, so now she's doing a cut crease. Where's my concealer? So she's taking an eyeshadow primer, and I'm just gonna take my concealer again. And she goes all the way across the eye, and even all the way under. So we're gonna do the same. Alright, that's one eye down. Now we're gonna dip back in for more concealer. Do the other eye.
The crease.
Oh, I missed something. Okay. Now she seems to be outlining the line of the crease. So I'm just gonna take a dark chocolate brown as well.
Same flat brush, we're going to smoke out some eyeliner. I feel like smoked eyeliner looks so much harder than it actually is. It's okay if you're messy because you can literally take a makeup wipe and just clean it up, so I'm not too worried about how precise I am with this. As far as the line goes, I'm just going to take and bring the color upwards to the edge of the eyeshadow, and then come inwards, just like that. Nothing too crazy. And then I'm going to go in with a pencil.
Nothing too crazy. Okay, well, I feel like In theory, it's easy. Okay, yeah. No, that did not work. I feel like I can clean it up, but hers was, I mean, she does have a more precise brush, so that probably helps. But yeah, that's a little rough, not gonna lie. Let's go back in with that concealer brush. Sorry, I'm like looking for all my little tools. I'm just gonna clean that up. Make it look a little bit more precise like hers. And this eye turned out a little bit better, but we're still gonna make it a little more precise. Okay. Y'all, I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but we're gonna keep on going.
Brush. I'm just gonna pull and start smoking in towards.
Okay, so now she's taking more of a pencil brush. So let me find mine.
Fine.
Okay. Alright. You lost me. Hold on. I wonder if, like, she just did this or she, like, practiced it. Because I feel like maybe I could get this down after, like, a couple times of practicing. But just going in like this is really hard. It's okay. Everything's fine. Okay, and then she took a black. Y'all, black eyeshadow scares me unless I'm trying to do black all over the lid. It is so hard to get it exactly in the spot that you want. But we're gonna try and take just a little bit of black on the very edge. Okay, actually I think that made it look a little better. Okay, alright. That wasn't as scary as I thought it would be. Oh, she wants us to bring it out to the tail.
Just to clean up the edge. Then I'm going to go back and just blend.
Okay, so she's taking a Stila glitter. I'm going to take the Stila, I think it's called glitter. No, it's called Shimmer and Glow. This is in Kitten. And we're just going to take that on a little shader brush and add that. This will give a little bit different look than hers. I feel like we've already made a different look, so might as well, keep going with it. Also, I don't know how I like that. It's okay, we can fix it. Maybe. I'm just gonna take the orange again and just blend it up. Try and not have such a harsh line of the shimmer. I know this is not what she does, but I'm just trying to salvage whatever look I have going on here. I think did I go too far out on the edges? This whole thing is a little bit much. I'm gonna take this pink glitter and just pop it on the center of the lid. Y'all, this is stressful. Everything's falling. Okay, alright. Okay, we're gonna leave the eyes as they are, even though they don't look exactly like hers. I feel like it's definitely an interesting look. I have never done something like this before. So we're gonna keep going. She curls her eyelashes. And then she also takes falsies, but I'm just gonna do regular mascara because falsies is just gonna make this 100 million times worse. Okay, so she also fills in her brows. She did that before false lashes, but that's okay. I'm actually out of my eyebrow brush, so we're just gonna use my Gimme Brow by Benefit and fill them in that way.
And I'm gonna go back to my blending brush right here.
Okay, she said she likes a messy brow, which I've never done before, so I'm just gonna swipe my brow hairs up to make them look a little bit messier. You know, this is how you better your makeup skills. You do things out of your comfort zone and you fail a little bit, but that's okay because at least you learn, you know? Also, the eyes look completely different. That's okay. Alright, we're moving on to concealer. So I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape, of course, again. I seriously don't know how I'm going to blend this in. Like, how do you blend it all the way up into your eye without covering up all of the work you've already done?
I'm going to take the Beauty Bakery setting powder.
Okay, hold on. We're not at setting powder yet. We are still trying to blend concealer without covering up eyeshadow. Like I said, at least there's no fallout, but also I feel like I'd rather deal with fallout at this point because I don't like having to keep going into the eyeshadow because I accidentally keep covering it up. Oh, yeah, see? Okay. This is her 0 to 100 transformation, but this might be my like 0 to 50 transformation because we are definitely not going to be looking like a 100 after this. Unless something miraculously changes, but who knows. Alright, let's keep going.
It was back and I really liked it, so...
Now she's taking powder. She's doing a little baking.
This is the only baking you will see me do. My skin's pretty dry, so I'm just going to set under my eyes, then I put a little bit on my chin. The rest of my face still looks pretty matte, so we're going to leave that. I am going to put a little bit underneath where I'm going to contour.
Okay.
I say a little bit, but I just put a whole lot. I have a really bad habit of saying a little bit with everything, but you know, it is what it is. I can't help it. Just a little bit.
I feel like every time I try and bake, like the powder just disappears. Like you can see on their skin like tons of powder that's like baking and looking really snatched and amazing, and then mine just literally disappears. But we're gonna try, it's fine. This is why I'm not a makeup artist. Alright, that's as good as it's gonna get. Okay, she's dusting it off even though we just put it on. It's fine. I don't know how long I was supposed to leave it on. There's not really much to dust off for me, like I said. It kind of all disappeared.
Of this palette, I'm going to go with the last shade right here, and we're going to bronze. Picking a Morphe R7.
Okay, so now she's bronzing. I don't have the Maybelline palette she's using, so I'm just going to use my Lorac Pro Contour palette. And I'm going to use the medium contour just to bronze. I feel like the baking we just did under the cheekbones did not help. Usually, if I ever do that, I go in after I put the bronzer. But she went in first, so that's what we did. Y'all, I don't know. And contour the nose. I feel like my nose contour always looks too dark, but that's okay. Then I go in with my beauty blender and basically erase everything I just did, even though I don't mean to. I'm just trying to blend it so that it doesn't look so crazy.
Oh, ain't no natural up in here. This is full coverage beat.
Yes, I love that this is full coverage. It's amazing.
Since we're full coverage, since we're extra today, I'm going to go in with this bronzer as well. This is from Buxom. This is in the...
So she's going in with another bronzer, and I am all for it. I love bronzing it up. So I'm going to take my Tarte bronzer, and we're just going to add a little bit more too, because why not? If Amanda's doing it, we can do it, right?
To chance it. So I'm going to put a few drops on my beauty blender, and then on to my chin.
Oh, okay. So I haven't seen her highlight hack video, but this is very interesting. So she takes the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir and puts it on her beauty blender. Okay, so I did that, and she puts it on the high points of her face I don't know how that doesn't take away the foundation that we already put, but it's interesting. And with the champagne pop right over. Oh wow. Okay, so that oil trick definitely works. If you want a popping highlighter, you should go ahead and try that one. That's interesting. I really thought that the foundation would come off, but I guess not. Cool. I'll be using that one more often for sure. Okay, so she's taking a black eyeliner. I'm gonna take a brown one. She also put the highlighter on the inner corner of her eyes, so I'm gonna do that as well. And also under her brow. So she's taking the dark brown color again and smoking out the lower lash line. So we're gonna do the same thing. So we're just gonna go ahead and finish the mascara. Another coat of mascara to make it look like I have falsies on, even though we were not messing with that today. Looks like we're almost done.
So when this happens, you red pencil. I use NYX Nude Beige. I always...
Okay, so she's using a nude lip liner, but I don't think I have one. I only have a red one. Okay, so I don't have the Buxom stuff, but I'm gonna take my nude YSL lipstick and go in with that. Okay, I'm gonna take my Too Faced Naked Dolly. And that lightened it up a little bit. This is the finished makeup look. It was a lot harder than Amanda made it look, and I feel like mine doesn't look the exact same, but I still really like it. I just think it'll take a little bit more practice. Yeah, also I realized that there's no blush, and I feel like I like blush in a makeup look like this, so maybe that's something I would do next time. But otherwise, that is it. Go ahead and go check out Amanda Ensing. She's an amazing YouTuber as well. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.